Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we see the chapter 1 chemical reaction and equation class 10th science. First question, match the following with correct answer MCQ. We see the chapter wise questions for the board, and the first question is combination reaction, decomposition reaction and displacement reaction, redox reaction. Match the following. The first question correct answer is option B and first का C होगा. आई मैच कर देता हूँ. पहला का सी होगा एंड सेकंड बी एंड थर्ड डी एंड फोर्थ ए. Second question is the chemical formula of lead sulfate is. Option B is correct answer. PbSO4. The color of zinc metal is 1. Which one is correct? The color of zinc metal is option number D, gray. When you place an iron nail in copper sulfate solution, the reddish brown coated format on the nail is. Option number C is correct answer, soft and dull. Now come to the fifth question, figure based question. Observation, solution and reaction, matter dissipated and the colorless. पहला ऑप्शन है कलरलेस होगा जिंक, मेटल डिस्पोर्ट जिंक एंड कलरलेस Cu and colorless Fe. Answer option number D is correct answer. Aluminium is more reactive than the zinc, copper and iron. Now come to the sixth question. Oil and fat containing food items are flourished with nitrogen. Why? Oil and fat containing food items are flourished with nitrogen. Why? Answer is in the presence of oxygen in the air, the fat present in the fatty food are oxidized to the compound which have a bad smell. The food become reddish, fluorescing with nitrogen cuts off contact of food with oxygen and protects the food from the residue. Now come to the seventh question. What happens when the copper powder is heated? Answer: the copper is oxidized to copper oxide. It means addition of oxygen. Oxygen is reduced to the copper oxide. It means addition of metal reduction. So the balanced chemical equation is 2Cu plus O2 is equal to 2CuO. A black color copper second oxide is formed. Question number 8. What is the principle of balancing of chemical equation? The chemical reaction follow the law of conservation of mass, meaning that the total mass of the react has to be equal to the total mass of the product. The number of the each type of atoms must also be conserved from the reactants to produce atoms cannot be created or destroyed. So if the equation cannot be balanced, there must be another reactant or the product involved. In covering these missing materials can shed light on how the reaction take place, how to we get better yield of the products, or what waste products may be generated. Now come to the question number 9. Why are the food items packed in aluminum foil? A primitive coating of aluminum oxide Al2O3 is formed on the surface of foil which prevent it from getting coated in the presence of air and water. Hence, food items are saved from getting spoiled when packed in aluminum foil. Now come to the question number 10. Predict whether the gold can display copper from copper sulfate solution. Answer is gold lies below copper in the activity series. This means that the gold cannot display copper from the copper sulfate solution. This is very important, you have to learn. It can ask in board exam. Now come to the question number 11th. What does one mean by exothermic and endothermic reaction? Give one example. Exothermic reaction. A chemical reaction in which the heat is given out is known as exothermic reaction. For example, CS plus O2, C जो इन ब्रैकेट में जो लिखा हुआ है S इसका मतलब सॉलिड कॉपर और ऑक्सीजन गैस के फॉर्म में होता है और इक्वल टू क्या होगा CO2 यानी कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस बन के और हीट जनरेट करेगा। दूसरा ऑप्शन एग्जांपल है NaOH सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एक्वक सॉल्यूशन में होगा और HCl हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड एक्वक सॉल्यूशन में NaCl देगा और प्लस H2O पानी लिक्विड में देगा वाटर और हीट जनरेट करेगा हीट एनर्जी निकालेगा। एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन क्या होता है? ए केमिकल रिएक्शन विच द हीट एनर्जी इज ऑब्जॉर्ब्ड इन नोन एज एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन। फॉर एग्जांपल N2 गैस की फॉर्म में O2 गैस की फॉर्म में हीट करने पर 2NO गैस सी कॉपर सॉलिड में होगा H2O गैस वो गैस में होगा और हीट करने पर क्या देगा CO गैस फॉर्म में प्लस H2 हाइड्रोजन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 व्हाट आर डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन? 3 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन विच ions are exchanged between the two reactants forming a new compound are called double displacement reaction. AB plus CD is equal to BC plus BD. These are the reaction in which two different atoms or group of atoms are displaced by another atom's group of atoms. Example BaCl2 plus Na2CO4 give BaSO4 and plus 2NaCl. AgNO3 एक्वक सॉल्यूशन में होगा NaCl plus AgCl plus NaNO3 aqueous solution. Such a reaction usually occur in ionic compound and are very fast reaction. उसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 in the reaction PS plus 4H2O2 AQ give PbSO4 4H2O which is oxidizing agent and which is reducing agent. Question number 13 oxidation and reduction. Oxidation is involves a loss of electrons or the hydrogen or gain of oxygen over increasing in oxidation state. Reduction involves the gain of electrons or the hydrogen or loss of oxygen over reduction decrease in oxidizing state. In the reaction PbS 4H2O O2 aqueous PbSO4 4H2O liquid or reactant is PbS. It takes up oxygen from H2O2 and change to PbSO2 SO4. It has undigenous oxidizing or it has been oxidized. H2O2 has lost oxygen and has changed to water H2O, so it has been reduced. Question number 14. Write the formula and then balance the following question. Butane C4H12 plus oxygen give carbon dioxide plus water. Option number A. Butane C4H10 plus oxygen give carbon dioxide plus water. In balance Balancing form 2C4H10 plus 13O2 give 8CO2 plus 10H2O. Question B. Magnesium plus silver nitrate give magnesium nitrate plus silver. Balancing form magnesium plus 2AgNO3 magnesium nitrate NO3 2 plus 2Ag. Lime water plus carbon dioxide give calcium carbonate plus water. Calcium O2 हाइड्रोक्साइड 2 लग जाएगा प्लस CO2 सी गिव CaCO3 प्लस 2H2O. सोडियम प्लस वाटर सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड प्लस हाइड्रोजन 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2. Calcium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide give calcium bicarbonate. CaCO3 plus H2O plus CO2 plus CaH2 Question number 15. This is the last question. There are different types of chemical reaction occurring around it being carried out for the behind of mankind. Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, precipitation reaction, reduction, oxidation, redox reaction, photochemical reaction, etc. Now answer the following question. The combustion of cake is combination reaction. CO2 is not a pollutant. Then why is the combination of coke harmful? Answer number 5. This is a 5-mark question. First answer is CO2 is not considered a pollutant up to the certain level. Rather, it helps in the maintaining the temperature of Earth. Combination of the coke is harmful as it increasing the concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere, which causes global warming due to the greenhouse effect. Question number 2. Which reaction followed by two combination reaction are involved in whitewash of wall? In the reaction of calcium with oxygen gives a quicklime CaO, which when mixed with the water form slag lime CaOH2 combination reaction, and when the slag lime is applied on wall, then it reacts with the CO2 of the air to form a CaCO3 and 2Ca सॉलिड में प्लस O2 गैस में रिएक्ट करता है प्लस 2CaO सॉलिड में क्विकलाइम बनता है. CaO कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड प्लस H2O लिक्विड में गिव CaOH2 एक्वाक्लाइम सेडक्लाइम बनता है. CaOH2 एक्वक सॉल्यूशन होगा प्लस CO2 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा तो बनेगा कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट CaCO3 सॉलिड में और H2O पानी निकलेगा लिक्विड में. The question number 3. Give one use of the tin plating in the daily life. The tin plating is preferred in the tiffin box because tin is non-poisonous and hence does not contain the food kept in them. Question number 4. How photochemical reaction have played an important role in the photography? Photography film used in black and white photography is a celluloid film coated with a silver chloride. The silver chloride decomposes in the presence of sunlight and it working in totally based on the decomposition reaction, giving silver which form a image on the film, and its formula 2AgCl सॉलिड में सनलाइट एंड डिकम्पोजिशन सिल्वर ग्रे बनेगा AgS सॉलिड में प्लस Cl2 गैस की फॉर्म में. थैंक यू. वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक शेयर कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब करें.